Hi guys, here we go. PBA Finals, Barangay Ginebra versus TNT Tropang Giga, the familiar foe. Maghaharap muli dito sa Commissioner's Cup. Pagkikwentuhan natin guys, sino ba ang may advantage? TNT Tropang Giga or the defending champion, or Barangay Ginebra? Makakabawi kaya ang bataan ni Coach Tim Cone at ang Barangay Ginebra against very formidable TNT Tropang 5G. Pero bago natin simulan ang ating usapan, I just want to ask you all to please subscribe to my channel. This is our new channel. Yung luma po natin, na-hack yun. Wala na yung nakakuha ng silver play button. We are just starting. We only have 50,000 or close to 50,000 subscribers. So I'm asking all those guys, all my friends na nakasubscribe sa dati nating channel to please subscribe here in our new channel para makapagkwentuhan pa tayo ng marami-rami tungkol sa basketball, sa Barangay Ginebra, sa PBA, and all your favorite players. Kung ano yung mga katanungan ninyo, pwede natin itanong and papaabutin natin sa kanila. But yeah, Barangay Ginebra susubukang bumawi sa TNT Tropang 5G. TNT Tropang 5G as an 8th seeded team umabot dito sa finals, but sabi nga ni Coach Tim Cone, he's the least surprised na umabot dito ang Tropang 5G. Siguro I am one of the top 10. Hindi ko nakita yung pagiging TNT Tropang 5G sa kanila during the Commissioner's Cup, during the time of Ronde Hollis Jefferson. I didn't see that kind of, formidable team as they are. Well, I'm sorry, I mentioned this before. Napakahirap i-predict ng TNT Tropang 5G because they went out sa kanilang comfort zone as a 3-point shooting team. Medyo naging inside team sila with ball because of the height and the length of ball. Umalis sila sa kanilang strength as a 3-point shooting team. Pumunta sila sa ilalim. But with Chris McCullough, I don't know kung mag-iiba ang timpla ng TNT Tropang 5G. I saw Chris McCullough getting huge games, getting huge contributions to TNT Tropang Giga or TNT Tropang 5G, but I saw some inconsistency. I'm not sure if what Chris McCullough can offer because he's only here for 1 week. He only practiced with TNT Tropang 5G for full 1 week and before the finals. So tingnan natin kung ano bang magiging adjustment ng TNT Tropang 5G sa kanya, ano bang magiging adjustment niya sa TNT Tropang 5G. Will the TNT Tropang 5G become more consistent in the 3-point area because they're only attempting 25.3 attempts in the 3-point area this conference compared to the 30 plus attempts na kanilang itinitikada sa 3-point area. They are only shooting 25.3 and converting only 7.8. Napakababa nun for a team attempting 25.3 and only converting 7.8 for a 30.8%. Mababa ito, lalong-lalo na sa kalibre ng TNT Tropang 5G. I think Coach Tim Cone will first try to challenge TNT Tropang Giga to shoot 3-point shots and see if they can convert or they can continue to let them shoot 3-point shots because tingnan natin yung mga averages guys. Barangay Ginebra is a better offensive team than TNT Tropang 5G this conference. Barangay Ginebra is scoring 105 points per game. TNT Tropang 5G only averaged 98.6 the whole conference. And the true shooting percentage of Barangay Ginebra is also higher than TNT Tropang 5G, 60.6 against the 56.4% of TNT Tropang 5G. That is the true field goal shooting percentage. And the effective field goal percentage, Barangay Ginebra has 56%, 56.3 to be exact, and only 51.7 sa TNT Tropang 5G. TNT Tropang 5G struggled offensively the whole conference. And they are lucky that they are still in the finals. Kung mapapansin natin, they went out from their comfort zone, they went out from their strength, which is the 3-point area. Medyo maganda naman ang kanilang tinitira sa 2-point area because of Manute Ball. TNT Tropang 5G is shooting 54.5% in their 2-point field goals, attempting 49.8 attempts per game. Pero mas mataas pa rin ang Barangay Ginebra at 54.7, konti lang but attempting 5 less attempts sa 2-point field goal compared to TNT. They're only attempting 44.8 in the 2-point area. So mataas, talagang maganda ang nilalaro ng Barangay Ginebra offensively compare sa inilalaro ng TNT Tropang 5G. Sa rebounding department, which is crucial here in the finals, especially in the series, sabi nga nila kung sino makaka-rebound na maganda, siya ang mananalo. Barangay Ginebra is rebounding 44.1 rebounds per game, while TNT Tropang 5G 43.4 the whole conference. Dikit na dikit ang labang ito, considering TNT Tropang 5G have ball manut ball, while Barangay Ginebra, sabi nga ng marami, napakaliit ni Justin Brownlee in this unlimited height of import, pero Barangay Ginebra hindi naglalayo sa may pinakamalaking import this conference. So ito ang magiging babantayan natin. Like Coach Chotre said in the press conference, ibang-iba ang Barangay Ginebra compared to Barangay Ginebra that they beat in the best of 7 series, the full 7 game. In game 7, tinalo nila in overtime. Ibang-iba ang Barangay Ginebra ngayon. Kaya naman medyo sinasabi niya na medyo dehado ang TNT Tropang Giga. I admit, even myself, I can say that they are an underdog. Barangay Ginebra have the edge this time around against the TNT Tropang 5G. Medyo nawawala yung toughness ng TNT Tropang Giga at times. Iyon ang magiging advantage ng Barangay Ginebra because they are coming from the tough series against Rain or Shine. For me, it is a positive more than a negative na nakalaban nila yung Rain or Shine. Coming from a tougher series, coming from a tougher defensive team, coming from a very very fast team na Rain or Shine, going into the series against TNT Tropang 5G, parang naka 2 times mode pa rin ang Barangay Ginebra because the series against Rain or Shine, they don't have a choice but to play faster. Parang naka 2 times mode pa rin ang Barangay Ginebra going into the finals against TNT Tropang 5G. So for me, it will be an advantage than a disadvantage here in the finals against TNT Tropang 5G. Tingnan naman natin yung scorean sa nakaraang finals series ng TNT Tropang 5G against Barangay Ginebra. TNT won game 1 95-89. Bumawi ang Barangay Ginebra 71-70. Nanalo naman ang TNT 87-85 at bumawi ang Barangay Ginebra 95-78 at nasungkitan, nagka-break point ang Barangay Ginebra in game 5, nakakuha ng 73-76. Lumamang sila dito 3-2, but the TNT Tropang 5G got the final 2 games of their best of 7, both 87-83. Napakadikit, napakaganda. For me, this is one of the best championship series in the PBA, in history of the PBA. So tingnan natin. Sabi nga ni Coach Chotreyes, ibang-iba ang Barangay Ginebra, and I agree. This is a different Barangay Ginebra team that they faced the last time. Sabi niya, baby RJ Abarientos pa daw yung nakaharap nila last year compared to mamang RJ na makakaharap nila ngayon. And I agree. I couldn't agree more. Nakita natin and I witnessed, pinahiya nga ako ni RJ Abarientos but I'm happy and I welcome the development of RJ Abarientos. Kahit mapahiya ako ng ilang beses, talagang binuhat niya ang Barangay Ginebra with Scottie Thompson and Justin Brownlee and the other crew. Napakaganda, gumanda ang composition, which I didn't expect, to be honest with you guys. Hindi ako nagbigay ng high expectations with Barangay Ginebra na magiging ganito ang development nila as a team in a span of this conference alone. Ibang-iba yung team na to, masasabi ko, and I agree with Chotreyes na ibang-iba ang team na to sa nakaharap niya last Commissioner's Cup. Imagine RJ Abarientos scored only 8 points in Game 4 and bounced back with 31 and 30 in Game 5 and 6 against Rain or Shine Elasto Painters. Ibang klase, sa sobrang bilis ng nilalaro ng Rain or Shine Elasto Painters, nalagay sa comfort zone si The Blitz. Pagkapabilisan nga lang naman ng labanan, hindi sila uurungan ni RJ Abarientos, and he showed, aside from being fast, he is also deadly. So iyon naman ang maipapakita niya against TNT Tropang 5G. Napakaganda nito guys. Pag-uusapan pa natin ng mas marami-rami ang mga dapat nating mga pwede nating expect this series, but for now, Game 1, tingnan natin how this team starts and we will go from there. Hihimayin natin kung ano nakita natin in Game 1. Pag-uusapan natin yan game after game para magkaroon tayo ng idea kung ano ba ang pwedeng maging adjustment ng dalawang koponan ito. Sabi nga ni Boss Al Francis Chua, panoorin natin ito because this is two very very good coach, two Gilas coaches, which is for me they're two of the best coaches here in the PBA right now. With all due respect to other coaches. So enjoy natin to, guys. See you in the game. I hope to see you there. And let's enjoy this finals between Barangay Ginebra and TNT Tropang 5G.